Hi, my name is Suk, and I'm excited to show you Engyne. Engyne helps you grow your startup using SEO. We help you ideate, write, publish, and then do analytics all in one place. Let me show you kind of how it works. So here in the Engyne dashboard, we deliver on the SEO promise with two things. One is editorial, and the other one is programmatic. So editorial is your classic one-page blog post versus programmatic, which is more to target a lot of keywords at scale. I use editorial for more top of the funnel traffic and programmatic more for the conversion, the bottom of the funnel kind of traffic. I'll just show you how both of them work so you have a better idea. The first step to starting with Engyne is to enter in what you're selling. So the product you're selling, this website specifically is selling directory of VC funds and who you're selling to. So founders looking to raise funding. That's my ICP. With those in place, we can actually start creating an editorial post right now. So Engyne can give you a bunch of topics, a bunch of good places to start with if you don't have an idea. So maybe 5 tips for pitching to VCs. That sounds like a good idea to write about. Let's add that in. So here we have a blank page. Fear not, we actually have this Write with AI feature, which is a proprietary algorithm that what it does is it combines your brand voice plus your business knowledge. So brand voice would be I write with second person voice and I use metaphors and I use hilarious analogies. That could be my brand voice. And the other thing is, which is a business knowledge. So stuff that your company specifically believes in, those two things combined, we can create a blog post that's very much in tune with your brand. So once I started writing with AI, you'll see at the bottom it says one source is used. So I already have one document where I've talked about how do I pitch to venture capitalists, and this AI is pulling information out of there, plus combining it with my tone of voice, and then writing out the article. So this is the editorial side. The other side is a programmatic one, which is even more exciting. Let me show you what that looks like at the end when it's built out, and then we'll show you kind of how it works. So vclist.info, I have a bunch of pages that are like top funds in location. So top funds in the USA, there's top funds in Canada, and the information on the page obviously changes per location, but the way it's set up is in here in programmatic. Let's go here. I have an Airtable. So this is the Airtable that I have that have locations and then the VC firms that are located in those cities or in those countries. And then I've another column that's converted from this information to Markdown, which is easier to work with. I'm going to import these information, these rows into Engyne here. And then all I have is a page designer that's kind of like Webflow. So if you've used Webflow's page designer, it's very similar to that. You can import in text, images, and all those kind of YouTube videos in. But the bigger difference is that in here, when I write top funds, top VC funds in location, so let me try doing this again. So in location, it actually shows me the columns that I can pick from my Airtable. So this location and formatted info are coming from location and formatted info. What this means is we can retroactively, real time, import and replace the words on the page and create copies of the page that are super SEO focused. So this is for Israel and USA and so on and so forth. This tactic of using curly braces works across other in the SEO tags as well. So we can do this in URL, like slug URL, in the title and descriptions and other things as well. So if you have YouTube videos that you want to switch per page, we can do that as well. Yeah, so once you've created these pages, the next thing to do is figure out if they're working or not. For that, we have analytics. And these are GDPR compliant analytics as well. So you don't need that tiny cookie box in the start of your site either. This shows you where your traffic is coming from and what are the top pages. So here you have top funds in Canada. It's actually getting way more traffic than top funds in USA. So maybe I need to go in and beef up my top funds in USA page. And so those are the kind of insights that you can derive from the analytics report once you publish the blog post. So yeah, there you have it. That's Engyne. It helps you create an organic SEO strategy for your business and help you grow.